Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, I'm going to teach you my easy to make pineapple pork chops. We need 257 grams Delmonte pineapple slices, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, salt, sugar, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, chili flakes, white pepper, Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, three to 4 pieces pork chops, turner, and a pan. Make sure your pork chops are pat dry before putting the salt and pepper. Put salt and white pepper on both sides of the meat. Preheat your pan. Add the butter, sear the pork chops with high heat on each side for at least 2 minutes per side or until your desired light brown seared color. Remove the impurities of the meat as you are searing the meat. Remove the meat from the pan. Add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Let it steam evaporate for a few minutes. Add garlic powder 1 tablespoon at a time. Add cayenne pepper. Add white pepper. Add paprika. Add the juice of the sliced pineapple. Dissolve all the spices and let it simmer. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Slow cook the pork chops in a very low heat. Cover the pan. Turning the pork chops every 15 minutes. You don't have to keep an eye on the pork chops. Just set the timer every 15 minutes, turning the pork chops for even cooking. Cook the pork chops for at least 1 hour. Remove the pork chops from the pan. Arrange it on your plate. Pan fry the pineapple slices. Add sugar before turning or cooking the other side of the pineapples. sugar will glaze the pineapple and the sauce. Remove the pineapple from the pan and arrange it on the top of the pork chops. Add the sauce on top. Straining the sauce will make your pork chops more appetizing. Add chili flakes on top. There you have it, my easy to make pineapple pork chops.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Pinaple Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Gusto mo ba matuto magluto? Click the description below for more details.